The island's most high-profile civil court case taken up by a former government employer against Niue government has been settled out of court. This morning, both parties of the dispute took little time in deciding an out-of-court settlement.
This was a very complex case because it involved constitutional issues, of which have appeared in a number of other jurisdictions. So New Zealand has had similar cases, as have the Cook Islands, even countries such as Canada have had similar types of cases. So this case of itself wasn't particularly rare, but it is the first time that it's been run on Niue. Well, Mr. Fleming was certainly happy to have had the matter settled out of court, because everyone accepts with court cases, you always take the risk that you get an adverse decision that your client doesn't like, and even if you win, with a case like this, there'd be appeals. The Court of Appeal in Niue would hear the matter, and then potentially the Privy Council could hear the matter as well. So the matter, no matter which side won now, could take years to finally resolve. But certainly the way it's worked out today, the matter's been resolved finally. Both sides are happy, and ultimately it's been good for Niue. All matters related to the settlement are confidential. But you certainly can conclude that both parties were happy with the amount that was chosen for the settlement, and both parties agreed to that.
Yesterday, Niue's Chief Justice, Honourable Patrick Savage, who presided over the case, made a recommendation the two parties consider settling out of court, as either way, Niue will pay a considerable amount of money despite the outcome of the case. Both parties were not able to disclose the agreement amount of the settlement because of court terms and confidentiality, but it is alleged the amount of money sought by Michael Fleming is substantial.